When it comes to weight loss, is slow and steady really the winning strategy, or could a rapid drop actually lead to better long-term results? New research presented at the European Congress on Obesity is challenging the long-held belief that losing weight too quickly leads to rebound weight gain. In this 52-week randomized clinical trial, researchers followed 284 adults with obesity who were assigned to either a rapid or gradual weight loss program. During the first 16 weeks, the rapid weight loss group followed a structured low-calorie plan starting at under 1,000 calories per day and gradually increasing to about 1,500 calories daily. The gradual group reduced intake more moderately, averaging around 1,400 calories per day. After that, both groups entered the same 36-week weight regain prevention program with coaching and ongoing support. The results? The rapid weight loss group lost nearly 13% of their body weight in the first 16 weeks, compared to just over 8% in the gradual group. And 1 year later, they still maintained significantly greater weight loss overall and were much more likely to hit clinically meaningful targets linked to lower risks of type 2 diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and osteoarthritis. The lead researcher says the results clearly challenge the prevailing belief that slow and steady gradual weight loss is necessary to prevent weight regain. She says these findings are particularly relevant given the urgent need for effective weight loss and weight maintenance strategies.